Well, they're old enough to watch themselves. It ain't like it's that far.
Yeah.
It's just up the road.
Yeah. Fuck, we can walk.
I would feel badly when my kids saw that him though. That's
Why?
I mean, I have a lot, and Peyton's young.
Oh God, Joe, for Christ's sake.
I could bring them.
Balance it with them.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Should be fine.
We're missing their show.
Oh shit!
We're all working like. Where's that noise? I mean, where is it? Harry was going to walk my
Gosh
F word.
darn. Where's the gosh darn?
The flippin' fireworks.
Come down here.
We heard the bang, but we didn't see anything.
And maybe
We're all
that red
looking
juice
like-
you're drinking.
And then
Kids?
They got some going here.
Oh, that's the smoke shack.
Yeah, it said they got some going there.
is that Tom T. Hall?
Wow, they got good. Theirs just continuously goes. Do you know you can put those all on timers?
No, I did not know that. Like your sprinklers?
Yeah.
Wow. They do pretty good for them being a little
Yeah.
smaller place operation.
That's a couple of real nice
See, now
ones.
these guys are going out there. They're getting ready for their big one.
You're right. Yes, they are.
They only put them out.
Oh, are they leaving?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
they
don't know.
screamed. Where in the piss that come from?
People on the road.
Your dad said they were already out there.
People on the road.
No, I think them guys are done over here now.
Over here?
It looks like it. They're coming down.
Oh, they are coming down.
Maybe they're just
They're already
getting
done. They had some big ones, didn't
They
they?
had some big,
Brennan said last year Brent had some 6-inch artillery shells. This year they were 8 inches
Yeah.
wide. I'm like, holy cow! How in the hell do you fit that in a big tube?
Get it bigger too.
Well, you only think your tube could be so big.
Yeah. Okay.
It just makes sense to me, okay?
All right. I should know better.